decades ago, Lego City's railway system was ruled by delays and dangerous accidents. But when everything seems lost, a glimpse of hope sparked an idea in the mind of the engineers. They designed a system based on wireless communication and RFID technology. With an intuitive graphical user interface to control and visualize the state of the system. The new system used an amazing A-star algorithm to always find the best path a train could take to reach the desired destination, as well as managing conflicts and preventing train accidents and derailment. After decades of chaos, thanks to the effort of 4 talented embedded system engineers, accidents were no more.